In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look busy on Acuity in just 5 minutes. We've all been there, needing to appear a bit more in demand than we currently are. It's not about deceiving anyone, but about managing perceptions. If you're a consultant, therapist, or any professional offering scheduled services, you know the value of appearing sought after. Acuity scheduling is a powerful tool to manage your appointments, and today I'll guide you through a surprising feature of Acuity, the Look Busy function. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your scheduling page. Click on Login to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once you've entered your email, you'll notice a Next button appear. Click on it to proceed. Acuity offers a seamless integration with Google, allowing you to continue with your Google account. This is a convenient option if your Acuity account is linked with your Google account, streamlining the login process. So go ahead and click Continue with Google. A list of Google accounts will pop up if you're signed into more than one. Select the one associated with your Acuity account. It's all about choosing the right tools to make your process as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the core of today's guide. You should see an option or a link to Availability. This is typically found on your Acuity dashboard or sometimes under a Settings menu. Acuity's user interface is intuitive, so don't worry, you're in good hands. Clicking on Availability will lead you to where you can start manipulating your schedule's appearance. Now look for Global Scheduling Limits. This section allows you to adjust settings that affect your entire schedule. It's like the master control for how busy or available you want to appear. In Global Scheduling Limits, there's a fascinating option termed Look Busy. When you turn on Look Busy, Acuity cleverly blocks out a percentage of your available time slots automatically. This is where perception management comes into play. It simulates high demand for your service. Now you might be wondering, how busy do you want to seem? That's where the next step comes into the picture. There's an option to increase the percentage of booked appointments. By adjusting this setting, you can control how full your schedule appears. This doesn't mean inventing fake appointments. It strategically limits your availability to encourage quicker bookings. Remember, the goal here is to stimulate a sense of urgency among your clients or potential clients. If they see limited availability, they're more likely to book an appointment sooner rather than later. It's a fine balance though. You don't want to seem so busy that clients think they can't get an appointment at all. A quick tip: adjust the Look Busy settings periodically based on actual demand and your capacity. It's essential to regularly review your scheduling needs to ensure you're providing availability that reflects your business priorities and personal preferences. Now, if you're concerned about the ethical side of this feature, consider this. Looking busy is not about tricking people, but about managing your scheduling effectively. It's in the same vein as deciding not to disclose every detail of your availability for strategic purposes. This feature enables you to sculpt your schedule in a way that benefits both you and your clients. It fosters a sense of urgency and value around your time, encouraging timely bookings and respecting your time as a professional. And there you have it. You've just learned how to make your schedule on Acuity look busier. This simple yet effective feature can be a game changer in managing your appointments and optimizing your time. Experiment with the Look Busy percentage to find what works best for you and reflects the true nature of your business demand. Remember, it's all about striking the right balance and ensuring your schedule works for you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now go out there and make your Acuity scheduling work wonders for your professional image and booking efficiency. Until next time, stay productive.